Welcome back to the Home Bartender. I'm Anne. We are going to make a whiskey smash today with bourbon. When I first started making hard alcohol cocktails myself, I did not include bourbon because I just didn't like the flavor that it had. It actually took me about 2 years to get to finally trying cocktails with bourbon, and I started with the Bourbon Smash. I now totally love bourbon. I like the the vanilla citrus kind of tobacco-y notes of bourbon, and so I wanted to make that for you today. So let's go over the ingredients to make a bourbon smash. We're gonna need for the bourbon smash 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using the Woodford Reserve. We're gonna need 8 to 10 mint leaves. We will need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup and 3 to 4 lemon wedges. So a quartered lemon, a lemon cut in half and quartered is what we will need. So let's put those ingredients in the tin and make the bourbon smash. So let's start with the mint leaves. You're gonna need 8 to 10 mint leaves. I like to use the biggest ones, but also the young ones have really good, like the little toppers have really good flavor as well. So 8 to 10-ish of those. And then we're going to, let's see, then we're going to actually take these quarters and put those on top of the mint. You want to put the mint down first so that you don't smash that up so much that it's vegetal. So I'm going to use 3 today because I have a lemon that's kind of a big lemon. I live in Oregon. We don't get the most amazing citrus up here, but that's a big lemon, so I'm going to use a little bit less so that my drink is not so lemony. So you want to pay attention to that. If you're getting a huge lemon that has a lot of pith, you need to adjust your lemon accordingly. So with the mint and the lemon in the tin, I have my muddler, and I'm just going to hit this like maybe 3, 4, 5 times, and that's it. It doesn't take much. You don't want to over muddle it because it will just really release those oils and then just taste like lemon. And then let's go with 2 ounces of bourbon. I like the Woodford Reserve, but you could use whatever bourbon you want. And then we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Now this is a dump over or a pour over drink, so I'm going to fill my tin with a good amount of ice here. And then shake this up really good to break up that ice really good. So I'm just going to literally dump this over the top in a double rocks glass. Lemon wedges and all, mint and all. And then I'm gonna top this off with a little bit of crushed ice. I can use my little tea strainer with the crushed ice. It's kind of like a mint julep in that sense. You know, it's got a lot of ice, crushed ice, and cool and refreshing. And then I'm gonna need a straw for that. Let's do this little black straw. So that, along with a little sprig, let's finish it off with the tiniest sprig of mint I can possibly find, to garnish with a little bit of mint on the top. So that is a bourbon smash. So now let's try the bourbon smash. I love that. It's almost like a mint julep. It's refreshing. This Woodford Reserve is, it's got vanilla notes and citrus notes. It's smooth. It's kind of got a hint of tobacco flavor, if you will, and it's very sweet. And it goes great with the lemon and the mint together. And it's great, obviously, on a hot summer day. So I hope that you make the Bourbon Smash and that you let me know how you like it and what you do with your smash in the comments. If you need a quick recipe, you can look for the photo for the Bourbon Smash on Instagram at Home Bartender Ann. And I'm on Facebook at The Home Bartender with Ann Gobelt. So please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know when a new cocktail video has come up. And we will see you next time. Until next time, be well. Thanks for watching.